How's it going, everyone? So I wanted to do a follow-up to our interior video and what I look for, and this kind of gets a little more particular about the interior, and this is a way better example of what I'm talking about with the interior, and especially when it gets into like the cracks and seams and stuff in your on your seats and that. So I kind of wanted to show us. I don't think this is. I don't think this has ever been done, or if it hasn't, it hasn't been. It was done before. This is an older vehicle, so it's been done before probably, but I don't know. This is the first time I'm taking care of the car, so play guessing games a lot of times when we do vehicles for the first time, and we don't know, the previous owner's habits and stuff like that. So flipped around here. You see, so these cars, this has really deep seams, and you can tell. I mean, this driver's seat's pretty beat up. But what I was talking about, like with the seams and that, is look, you can't see it. As soon as you pull that back, you can see all the dirt and grime that just gets into that, in between that piping and stuff. You don't really see it, and then you pull it away, and it's all there. And that's the kind of stuff I was talking about, I said in the previous video, and the things that I look for when it comes to. This side is really bad. I don't know if you can see it, but that I'm talking about when it comes to exterior details and the things that I look for and what I would be paying attention to when it comes to getting a car detailed. So I just thought I'd show you guys that because it's probably, I don't know if it shows up really good in the video or not, but it's something that hasn't been done in a while. And even on the back seats, which look like they don't have, like, looks like this has pretty much just been the driver in here most of the time. The back seats really haven't been used much. Even those still built up. There's stuff built up in there, and it's in between that piping and everything. And even on the back part of the seat, it's on there too. So that's definitely something that I would look for, and I would expect that it doesn't take much to get in there and get that cleaned out. So that's something that I would be looking for. So that's a little added bonus to the part 2 of the interior one. So thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. And as always, I'm Dan Zajac. I'm the owner of Precision Pro Auto Detailing, and I look forward to helping you make your life a little bit easier through detailing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.